Amazfit GTS 2 Mini with AMOLED display 70 and sport modes launched for Rs. 6,999. After the launch of Amazfit GTR 2 and GTS 2 over the past couple of weeks, Xiaomi has now brought the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini to India. It was first announced in China and is a smaller variant of the GTS 2. It boasts almost the same features, minus the speaker and microphone. Amazfit GTS 2 Mini specifications. The Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is pretty thin and lightweight. It is 8.95mm in thickness and weighs merely 19.5 grams. The watch features a square 1.55-inch AMOLED touch display with minimal bezels and 2.5D curved glass on top. The panel boasts a 354x206 pixel resolution and 450 bits of brightness. It supports 50+ watch faces and an always-on display, which is great at this price point. Amazfit GTS 2 Mini also includes an aluminum alloy body and a single button on the right. As for the health and fitness features, the watch sports a self-developed BioTracker 2 ppg bio-tracking sensor. It allows the user to measure their heart rate, receive heart rate warnings, monitor sleep and blood oxygen levels, SpO2 sensor as well. The smartwatch also assesses your sleep breathing quality through the light, deep and REM sleep stages during the night, as per the product listing. It also supports 70+ sport modes, built-in GPS Plus GLONASS, and will present you with your PAI health score to deliver a reality check. Amazfit GTS 2 Mini comes equipped with a 220 mAh battery, which is claimed to last up to 14 days on a single charge. It is 5 ATM water resistant, connects over Bluetooth 5.0, and supports a myriad of software features. You have a Bluetooth camera, music controls, and Pomodoro clock feature in tow as well. Price and availability. Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is priced at Rs. 6,999 in India. It will go on sale starting from the 26th of December, exclusively on Amazfit's website and Amazon. It will rival the Rayarm Watch S, which was unveiled today itself, in the budget segment.